Kentucky's 120 counties. Only 17 are not in the state's red zone for COVID-19 incidence rates. But some of the counties, as you can see on the map right here, take a look at it right there with the highest rates, are actually coming from smaller counties just south of Metro Louisville. Rose McBride spoke with the director of operations at Flagey Memorial Hospital, that's in Bardstown, about how that facility is handling an influx of the patients.
Flagey Memorial Hospital, based in Nelson County, serves patients from 7 different counties. But as the number of COVID cases surge, more and more beds are being taken up by patients who have the virus. 1 month ago, Nelson County had a COVID incidence rate of 21.9. That's average daily cases per 100,000 people. Yesterday, that number stood at 89.6, far into the state's red zone.
We are seeing a little bit of an uptick for us.
Flagey Memorial has 52 beds. At the beginning of the pandemic, the hospital had about 5 to 7 COVID patients in those beds. Now that number is between 15 and 18. Director of Operations Netta Nuz says right now they have the capacity to treat those COVID patients. But from the beginning, they've had a plan in place if they're forced to transfer patients to other hospitals in places like Lexington or Louisville.
We're a community hospital and our community likes to stay with us. So we do our best to take care of those patients and keep them in-house, but knowing when our abilities need to transfer.
It's not only a concern for hospitals. A surge in COVID cases is also a problem from a public health standpoint.
I think people are just numb to or just fatigued or just have message fatigue related to please wear your mask, physically distance, and wash your hands.
Terry Bergen with the Lincoln Trail Health Department says public health is already strained beyond capacity at this point.
If we get to the point where our medical facilities are stretched beyond capacity, we may not have the resources available to take care of individuals who don't have COVID.
Bergen emphasized following COVID guidelines to keep yourself, your family, and your community healthy.
The light at the end of the tunnel will come. We just still have a little ways to go.